Vision of progress with a mindful breakthrough. All New Camry Hybrid.
Beyond interior.
New sophisticated cabin interior.
Exciting moonroof.
New extravagant ornamentation.
Convenient rear seat control.
New marvelous floating multimedia.
New pleasant air purifier.
JBL sound system.
Adjustable advanced driving mode. Beyond exterior.
New astonishing front bumper and grille. Elegant LED headlamp.
New sharp-edged LED rear lamp with red reflex reflector.
New striking silver alloy wheel. Toyota safety sense. Automatic high beam.
Lane tracing assist with a lane departure alert.
Lane centering.
Steering assist.
Seven seniors airbag. Rear cross traffic alert and blind spot monitor.
Pre-collision system.
Dynamic radar cruise control with curve speed reduction.
Lane departure alert with steering control.
Color options. Attitude black.
Platinum white pearl.
Red mica.
Graphite metallic.
Silver metallic.
Metal stream.
Burning black. New Camry Hybrid.
The ultimate class and virtue.